A cold room, a colder eye, a camera leans in. We are in Hamburg on a winter night in the late 1870s. A police photographer and a coroner hover over a body, the last of its warmth seeping into the damp tile. The air stings with chemicals as a glass plate touches cornea with a faint tap, and the shutter clicks. They were chasing a theory called optography, a 19th century belief that the human eye could hold the last image it ever saw. Inspired by the work of physiologist Wilhelm Kuhne, they believed the eye's pigments could be fixed, like a photographic plate, if treated quickly enough. Across Germany and Britain, detectives pressed cameras to the eyes of the dead, rushing the delicate tissue to darkrooms, hoping the face of a killer would emerge from the developing fluid. But could memory truly be trapped in the lens of an eye? The results were always a disappointment. Instead of a murderer's face, only faint geometric shapes appeared. The shadow of a window pane, a pool of lamplight. The science was flawed. The eye's chemistry bleaches within minutes, the tiny image inverted and fading before it could ever be captured. The method felt scientific, but the science could not deliver what they wanted. And yet, the promise was too powerful to let go. Even today, we hunt for that last look, scrolling through the final selfies on a victim's phone. The desire to pull truth from a final image hasn't faded. It has only grown stronger, amplified by technology. This is why the idea refused to die. In an era obsessed with spirit photographs and laboratory marvels, optography became a dark room for grief. Imagine a widow standing under the hum of a gaslight, her hope resting on a single desperate question. Is this the face my husband saw in his final moments? The coroner from our opening scene later admitted that grieving families often asked for the procedure, transforming a failed experiment into a solemn ritual. Weak smudges on glass plates were read like tea leaves, with reporters framing guesswork as revelation. Under pressure, detectives mistook wonder for evidence because what they truly craved was certainty. This is a lesson modern forensics is still forced to relearn. Pattern matching techniques once considered infallible, like bite mark analysis, have since collapsed under scientific scrutiny. Today, data-driven tools present us with confident charts and probability scores, but the same illusion can persist. An unvalidated algorithm can simply give a scientific gloss to a human hunch. We may speak in probabilities, but the wish for an absolute, undeniable answer remains. And that deep-seated desire for certainty can still have haunting consequences.